Mga chinggu, panoorin natin 'tong, video update kay, Miss Chelsea Fernandez, yung pambato natin sa Miss Cosmo 2025. Tara, play na natin 'to. Ang ganda ni Chelsea 'no, sobrang nagniningning yung kanyang kagandahan. Para siyang may sariling, ring light. So, ito na yung video.
I'm wearing Audai and non-lab, but this is designed by, of course, by a Filipino designer and styled by Sir Ange Bruno.
Ang
I
ganda
hope
ng
you like
details
it
ng
because I
kanyang
really chose
kasuotan,
this
no?
color. This is my favorite hue, like light blue. So I hope it suits me so well.
Wow.
Do you like it?
Yes,
Yeah, because I like it too.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
Ang ganda niya 'no?
May Philippine future.
Umaga.
Napakalakas ang laban natin ngayon. Huwag lang dadayain
Fernandez,
talaga.
Miss Cosmo Philippines.
Yo! Miss Philippines.
Hello po sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan, to all my fellow Filipinos. I just arrived here in the land of the Ascending Dragon, Vietnam. And of course, I will carry our flag with so much pride and love. And this is it. We're claiming our first ever crown for the Philippines in Miss Cosmo 2025. Oh my God! And I just hope that you continue to support me
Oo
and
naman,
join me in this
syempre.
cosmic journey.
Yun. So yun nga no guys, supportahan natin yung pambato natin na si Miss Chelsea Fernandez sa kanyang laban sa Miss Cosmo. And alam naman natin guys na yung mga pinapadala talaga natin ng mga kandidata is high caliber. And supportahan natin siya hanggang sa dulo ng kanyang laban. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po!